in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial sound on your Toshiba desktop computer, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select the system tile. And then on the left side, select sound. Over on the right, where it says output, choose your output device. You can click the drop down and select a different speaker if you have multiple ones connected, and then select device properties versus spatial sound format. Select your spatial sound format for an immersive audio experience that simulates a more realistic environment. Click the drop down and you either select off or one of the other options that are compatible with your hardware. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.